Yo, what's good guys, okay? So this video is gonna be about spiritual fasting, okay? And why I went on a water fast to test out manifestations and see if it can actually get me more in tune with myself, okay? So I went on a spiritual fast, okay, for 21 days, and it was really enlightening. It was really enlightening. It was a water fast. I would fast around dawn till sunset. I would wake up at 4 AM, meditate, start my day, drink some green tea actually, and then that would be it. And until then I would just drink water, okay? And I was really I was really excited to do this because obviously I learned a lot from Joe Dispenza's Becoming Supernatural book, and one thing that was stated was that drinking water, I'm just paraphrasing, drinking water can boost your electromagnetic field, your aura around you. And I've seen this to be true because when I've fasted, even if it's an intermittent fast, when I've drank water only, I've received very psychic abilities where I journaled situations that's happened. If it's synchronistically something like 222 and receiving a message at 222, and before I got that message, I remember in this instance, I felt like I was about to get a phone call, and it's something very intuitive that you just can't even really explain it. You just, anytime something weird like that happens to me, I'll just laugh, you know, and I'll journal it. So I was really, this was something that I would usually get just from doing an odd fast. So when I did this 21-day fast, I just did it just to get grounded, just to get really grounded within myself and be thankful for everything I've got, everything I've had, everything I've received. And I just did it. I just went into this fast, and it was really easy for me actually. It was really easy. Around day 18, day 19, it got tough. It got really tough where it would be like 2 o'clock and I got to wait till sunset around 7, and I'm just like, damn, I need to eat. But why I did this was because I wanted to sacrifice this time, this feeling, for a bigger purpose. For a bigger purpose. I knew why I wanted to do this. I knew I was stepping into a new dimension, a new way of thinking, a new lifestyle, a new way of living. And I knew, all right, what am I going to do? What am I going to do to sacrifice this myself spiritually? And that for me was fasting. And I just became, it's almost like when you take out distractions, you know, when your body doesn't have a lot to digest, you then see the powers your body has. And my body started to repair itself. My body started to do amazing things. That you wouldn't think would be possible without food. But what was the most important thing was when I was eating, what was I putting into my body when I then broke my fast, okay? So I'm eating loads of vegetables. I'm eating my rice. I'm eating my fruit. I'm eating foods that are colorful, that are full of electrical minerals that are going to help you boost yourself and make your electromagnetic field rise, okay? So that's why it's so important to eat your fruit and vegetables. As kids, you know, you know how it is when you're a kid about eating fruit and vegetables, but it's so important to eat your fruit and vegetables. And you'll learn this as you learn the chakra color codes. You learn that every food has its reason to boost up your electromagnetic field, okay? So green foods that are greens are good for your heart, okay? Like watermelons, you know, I love watermelons. The outside of it is green. It boosts, it's good for your heart. And also what is linked with your heart is oxytocin. Oxytocin is the chemical that is it a hormone or chemical? Forgive me if I'm wrong. It's the feeling that you have of feeling good, okay? And this is what gives you the good feeling good factor. It's the feeling good factor. And when you eat foods that are associated with the heart chakra, you feel good, you feel calm, you feel, you know, you feel good about yourself. So that is the most important thing. Is it's good doing the fast, but what are you doing once you break that fast? What are you putting inside of your body to allow you to carry on these consecutive days and do it effortlessly? And you know, I'm very mindful of what I eat, okay? And what I've noticed is when you do eat the junk food, especially if you go on the fast, is if you do eat the junk food, you're going to feel your stomach feel rattled, you're going to feel a bit off, you're going to feel a bit jaded. And this is why once you subtract out, then put the foods in, then you can start to see what effect is this really having on my body. When you've had to fast all day and then you break your fast, like I break my fast with 3 dates, then you can feel that, you can feel everything. You can feel what it's actually doing to your body, what it's actually doing to help you rise. And you'll eat some foods and junk food that will make your feeling go down, you know. So this is it. So it really makes you mindful. What else was I doing on this spiritual fast? I would go within nature. I'll take my black tourmaline, my crystals, I love my crystals, and I'll ground myself within earth, within the soil of earth, and just say a few chants to myself, a few, let's say, mantras to myself, and really just get in tune with myself and in tune with nature, okay? There's scientific research into that too. So it really just grounded me in all respects, you know. It just really grounded me. And it really made me mindful of what I should be eating, what I shouldn't be eating. And trust me, you got all day to be thinking about what am I going to do, what am I going to eat, and what am I going to mentally take as a diet as well. Because when you subtract the food also, you kind of have like not a dull feeling, but everything's not too hyperactive. And when I mean that, I mean when we eat foods or we eat something with a lot of sugar, it can kind of like make you a bit like, let's say, I don't know how to explain, but when you eat sugar, right, you feel really hyperactive. But when you don't, if you just have a green tea, you just feel calm, almost like in a sedated mood. And when you are in that sedated mood, you almost do things that are very calm and chilling. And I was able to listen to podcasts, watch things that are meaningful, and take it in almost like I'm digesting it, okay? And it just really, like, I can't, for anyone who's done this, please let me know in the comments, but someone may be able to relate. But it does really make you really mindful. It does really make you really down to earth. I wouldn't say humble. I don't like to use the word humble. I like to say grounded. There's a big difference between humble and grounded. And it really did bring me down to earth, because for me, I'm a Pisces, and I feel like we kind of float. We kind of are really dreamy, really, like, I've dreamed of staying somewhere like this, and it really does let your mind wander. But at the same time, you need to be grounded, because you are here on earth. We are respecting the universal laws, so we must also stay grounded. So this is why I do these kind of things, to have that polarity of being here and being above. As below, so above. Peace. If you like this video, please let me know in the comments. Please let me know if you spiritually fasted, done a water fast, done anything of that similar nature. Peace.